We continue keeping our focus on the tragic news that's coming in from Uttarakhand, where a chopper en route to Kedarnath from Dehradun crashed near Gaurikund. The ADG Law and Order of Uttarakhand has confirmed that there were 7 people on board, including 5 passengers. Among them, one was also a child, and then you also have the pilot. So the toll, as of now, we know that those people who were on board the chopper was 7. That's the latest update. Rescue teams are racing against time in the difficult terrains there in Gaurikund. That's the latest update coming in, and we've accessed one video of the crash site. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek. Abhishek, उत्तराखंड के मुख्यमंत्री ने भी संज्ञान लिया है। लेटेस्ट रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस के बारे में आप हमारे दर्शकों को क्या बता सकते हैं? क्या अभी भी अथॉरिटीज ने किसी भी क्या कैजुअलिटीज के बारे में कुछ कहा है? अभी हमारे पास क्या जानकारी है?
देखिए, अभी पूरी तरह से पुष्टि नहीं हो पाई है कितने लोग गंभीर रूप से घायल हैं या उस और कोई घटना इसमें घटित हो चुकी है, पुष्टि नहीं हो पाई है। निश्चित रूप से देखिए, जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, जो क्रैश का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, इसमें इस तरह के जो मामले होते हैं, इसमें बचने की संभावनाएं बहुत ज्यादा कम होती है, क्योंकि जो हेलीकॉप्टर होता है वो ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ गिरता है। तो निश्चित रूप से, और जैसा जो अभी विजुअल हम देख पा रहे हैं और विजुअल्स में देख के जो अंदाजा लगाया जा रहा है कि जो हेली था वो पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुका है, तो अंदाजा लगाना बेहद मुश्किल हो रहा है। अभी पूरी तरह से इस पे किसी ने पुष्टि नहीं की है। मौसम बेहद, जैसे कि उत्तराखंड में आज अलर्ट भी है और लगातार मौसम खराब होने की चेतावनी भी जारी की जा रही थी, और इसको देखते हुए कहीं ना कहीं उच्च स्तरीय जांच होगी। निश्चित रूप से मुख्यमंत्री भी इस जो मुख्यमंत्री के वहां से जो हमें सूचनाएं मिल रही हैं, ऑफिस से जो सूचनाएं मिल रही हैं कि इसकी उच्च स्तरीय जांच भी होगी, जिसमें 5 लोग सवार थे, जिसमें एक बच्चा भी बताया जा रहा है। निश्चित रूप से ये एक बड़ी घटना है, जो कि उत्तराखंड में 2 महीने में पिछले 4 ऐसी घटनाएं हो गई हैं, जिसमें डीजीसीए ने भी इस बात को कहा था कि अब लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग के मार्फत आप लोगों की हम चेकिंग करेंगे। एविएशन कंपनी को कहा गया था कि अब कैमरे लगाए जाएं और लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग के मार्फत हम इसे चेक भी करते रहेंगे, मौके पे निगरानी भी करते रहेंगे कि के जो फ्लाई जो एरिया टाइम है, जो कितनी फ्लाई कर रहे हैं आप लोग और किस तरह का मौसम है, तो इन सब चीजों को रिकॉर्ड भी किया जा रहा था। अब देखने वाली बात यह होगी कि आने वाले समय में इस तरह की जो घटनाओं की तेजी आई है, उसमें डीजीसीए और उत्तराखंड सरकार क्या एक्शन लेती है। ये एक बड़ा गंभीर विषय है कि जिस तरह से कहीं ना कहीं लोगों में एक असुरक्षा की भावना भी व्यक्त की जा रही है कि इस तरह से लगातार जो सफर कर रहे हैं, जो हेली बुकिंग करके बाबा केदार के दर्शन करने जाते हैं और उनके साथ इस तरह की घटनाएं हो जाएं, तो कहीं ना कहीं असुरक्षा की भावना भी देखी जा रही है।
कोई और क्या जानकारी है आपके पास चॉपर को लेके? एनीथिंग एल्स दैट वी कैन टेल आवर व्यूअर्स, बिकॉज राइट नाउ व्हाट वी नो सो फार इज दैट द चॉपर वाज इन फैक्ट हेडेड फ्रॉम देहरादून टू केदारनाथ. It first went missing early this morning between Trijunganyar and Gaurikund, and this has also been confirmed by the ADG of Uttarakhand, Dr. V. Murugesan, that there were about 7 people on board. There are rescue operations that are currently underway. The Chief Minister has also taken stock. He has also said that local administration and SDRF teams, along with police and mountain rescue units, are currently conducting the search and the rescue operations. Now, it is going to be challenging because, remember viewers, this is a high altitude and remote terrain. The weather conditions, as being confirmed by our reporters on ground, remain challenging, and officials are also as of now evaluating if weather contributed in any way. Rishabh is with us. Rishabh, what's the latest as you track these developments? So far, rescue operations are currently underway. What more do we have? Has the centre also taken note?
Well, as Abhishek said, that the situation in Uttarakhand today, the weather alert was also on, and additional precautions have been asked to be taken by the government. But this chopper crash has come to light. First, this chopper missing is what we are given to understand, and then it was found crashed near Gaurikund in Uttarakhand. This chopper was flying from Kedarnath to from Dehradun to Kedarnath with 5 people on board, 6 people on board. The report suggests that 5 people have been reported dead. As of now, the official official confirmation is yet to come in from the Uttarakhand government, but many reports suggest that it was a fatal crash. As Abhishek was also saying that the government is yet to announce the figures, or for that matter the current situation. But yes, looking at the visuals, the survival looks very, very difficult. Apart from that, if we talk about the such crashes, there have been 4 such crashes in last 2 months. The last one happened just last week, when that visual came in from Uttarakhand itself near Kedarnath of the crash landing of one such chopper. Back then there was no injury or death, thankfully, but this time around fatalities is being feared, is what we are given to understand. As of now, further details are yet to come in from the government of Uttarakhand. We are waiting for the updates on that front.
Yes, Rishabh, but let's also once again confirm for our viewers that as of now, the state government in Uttarakhand hasn't said anything about casualty figures. If you even go by the post of the Chief Minister, he says that he's praying for those who were on board that chopper. So for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, we are keeping our focus on the tragic news that's coming in from Uttarakhand, where a helicopter which was en route Kedarnath from Dehradun crashed near Gaurikund. And we also spoke to the ADG of law and order in Uttarakhand. He also had some preliminary information. Let's listen into what he told my colleague Amita earlier this morning.
Dr. V. Murugesan is also connected with us. Sir, you have given us the confirmation of this earlier chopper that went missing. Can you tell us exactly what happened? This morning's incident, it is being reported, sir?
ये सूचना ही आ रहा है about helicopter has crashed about 4 kilometers above Gaurikund. And other details are awaited. About 5 passengers and 1 baby was in the helicopter. The remaining details are awaited. Once our team reaches the site, we will get more information.
So 5 individuals, including the pilot?
No, excluding the pilot.
So total, we are talking about 6 people on board this helicopter?
On board, and 1 baby also.
And a baby as well.
Preliminary details, this only we had. Remaining details, it's awaited.
Sir, can you tell us exactly when it happened? Early this morning it was reported?
Early this morning, yeah.
So when did you get this information, and have you ordered for an inquiry? Exactly when it comes to the helicopter, has that now been located where the crash has happened?
The location has been located, the site crash is located. Our team is reaching that place.
Rescue teams, you believe that are also reaching the spot?
Yeah.
My colleague Amita is with us. Amita, if you could also take us through what the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand has said. As of now, for viewers just joining us on the broadcast, there are members of the local administration, the SDRF, police and mountain rescue units who are in the forests of Gaurikund conducting search and rescue operations. Amita, over to you.
Absolutely. Well, Sagrika, this is not for the first time as such kind of an incident that has been reported. There have been frequently, when it comes to such incidents, unfortunately, that have been reported. And this is yet another case. Earlier, we got the information of the helicopter that went missing. However, the confirmation that is now been given by the Chief Minister himself of this crash that has now happened. I'm just going to quickly put out what he has said. जनपद रुद्रप्रयाग में हेलीकॉप्टर के दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होने की अत्यंत दुखद समाचार प्राप्त हुआ है। एसडीआरएफ, स्थानीय प्रशासन एवं अन्य रेस्क्यू दल राहत एवं बचाव कार्यों में जुटे हैं। बाबा केदार से सभी यात्रियों के सकुशल होने की कामना करता हूं. So only he has mentioned, he has not mentioned the number of people on board, he has not mentioned if there are any casualties or injuries, but he has only said that the SDRF teams, local administration and rescue teams have now reached the spot as far as when it comes to the rescue operations that have been taking place, and he is expressing that he is hopeful that the people on board are safe.
Thank you, Amita, for getting us that latest update on what the Chief Minister has said. Going back to Abhishek, rescue operations पे पूरा फोकस रहने वाला है, लेकिन जो हाल ही में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं उसके बारे में भी बताइए. आज वेदर को लेके भी कुछ अलर्ट्स जारी किए गए थे, तो सवाल ये उठाया जाएगा कि अगर वेदर को लेके अलर्ट था तो परमिशन क्यों दिया गया था चॉपर को टेक ऑफ करने के लिए? इसके बारे में भी दर्शकों को बताइए.
देखिए, वेदर को लेकर लगातार उत्तराखंड में प्री मानसून की बात सामने आई रही है और पिछले 15 दिन पहले उत्तराखंड में मानसून प्रवेश कर गया है और मेरे पीछे आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं. देखिए, मौसम इस तरह, अभी थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश शुरू हो गई है और आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं जब ये हाल देहरादून का है तो अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि जो हाई एल्टीट्यूड एरिया है, जो केदारनाथ बाबा की जो घाटी है उसमें स्थिति क्या है। और आप अंदाजा इस बात से भी लगाइए कि लगातार इस तरह के जो मौसम चल रहा है और लगातार इस तरह की जो घटनाएं बढ़ रही है। मैंने बताया कि 2 महीने में 4 बड़ी घटनाएं हो गई, जिसमें आपातकालीन लैंडिंग भी है, जिसमें 6 लोगों को मरने की सूचना भी थी 8 मई को जो घटना हुई थी। तो कई ऐसी चीजें यहाँ सामने देखने को मिल रही हैं जो अपने आप में कई बड़े सवाल खड़े करती है। ये तो जांच का विषय है कि इस जांच में क्या निकल के आता है। रही बात एसडीआरएफ और मौके पे पहुंचने वाली टीमों की, सुबह घटना ये रिपोर्ट हुई है 5:30 बजे के आसपास की घटना बताई जा रही है। उसके बाद यहाँ से टीम निकलती है। टीम निकलने के जो मैं आपको बता, पैदल का रास्ता है, ये कई किलोमीटर लंबा पैदल का रास्ता है। यहाँ से पैदल पहुंचने में तकरीबन 1.5 से 2 घंटे लगते हैं। एसडीआरएफ की टीम निकल चुकी थी सुबह, सबसे पहले एसडीआरएफ की टीम निकली है और वहां ऐसा अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है कि वहां वो पहुंच भी चुके हैं और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन अब शुरू भी हो गया है।
और स्टेटमेंट भी हमारे पास है जो हमारे टीम्स ने यहाँ पे एक्सेस किया है। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड आउट दैट फ्रॉम what we've just accessed. This is a developing story. We are constantly getting updates. Let me just tell our viewers about it. That at around 5:20 a.m. a chopper which was going from Kedarnath Dham to Gupt Kashi has been reported to have crashed near Gaurikund. Okay, so this is the latest update that the chopper was going from Kedar Dham to Gupt Kashi and that crashed near Gaurikund. There were 6 passengers including the pilot, and the statement also says that there were 5 adults and 1 child on board the chopper. As per the latest statement that we've accessed here, it says that the passengers in the helicopter are from Uttarakhand, from Uttar Pradesh, from Maharashtra and Gujarat. In view of relief and rescue, NDRF and SDRF teams have been dispatched to the site of the incident. This is coming in from the Uttarakhand Civil Aviation Development Authority. That's the latest statement. So we have new updates that are now coming in. Now we have information that this was a chopper that was going from Kedarnath Dham to Gupt Kashi and it crashed near Gaurikund. So earlier we had news that this was a chopper that went from Dehradun to Kedar Dham, and now the latest statement, official statement coming in from the Uttarakhand Civil Aviation Development Authority says that this is a chopper that was going from Kedar Dham to Gupt Kashi, which crashed near Gaurikund. There were 6 passengers on board. So that's the latest. 6 passengers were on board as per the official statement. My colleague Rishabh is also with us. So the first official statement is coming in. In the statement, we know where the chopper was going from and when did the crash take place. But even in this statement, there's been no word or no report of any casualties so far. Rishabh, what more can you tell our viewers?
Well, definitely the latest statement that has come in from Uttarakhand Civil Aviation Development Authority, as you were mentioning, this clarifies more further details about the situation of the chopper. What we're given to understand that at around 5:20 a.m. This helicopter, which was going from Shri Kedarnath Dham, Kedarnath to Gupt Kashi, and has been reported that it has been crashed in Gaurikund. So it is now being cleared by the authorities in Uttarakhand that it was a chopper flying from Kedarnath and going toward Gupt Kashi when it crashed in Gaurikund. The number of people on board has now been clarified. It is 5 adults and 1 child, but no word on the condition of the passengers officially yet has come in from the Uttarakhand government. We'll have to wait on that front. There are reports that suggest fatalities, but as of now, for our viewers, the Uttarakhand government has not confirmed any fatality in this crash. So we'll have to wait on that front.
Yes, and rescue teams a few teams are also en route. Gaurikund, where the crash in fact took place. If you see in the pictures, it's a forested area. It's also a hilly terrain, and the weather today will be a challenge for those conducting rescue operations. I want both of you to stay with us. We'll have to take a short break. We'll be back as we track more developments on this ongoing story.